This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chocolate frosting for cake. This easy guide will help you create a smooth, rich topping that everyone will love. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter, 4 cups of powdered sugar, and about 1/4 cup of milk. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now that you have your ingredients, let's start mixing. In a large mixing bowl, combine your softened unsalted butter and the unsweetened cocoa powder. Using an electric mixer on medium speed, beat these two ingredients together for about 2 minutes. You want the mixture to become light and fluffy, almost like a paste. This creaming process is crucial for developing that deep chocolate flavor and ensuring a smooth frosting base. Next, we'll add the powdered sugar and milk to achieve that perfect frosting consistency. Gradually add the 4 cups of powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time, mixing thoroughly after each addition. Once the sugar is mostly incorporated, slowly add the milk, 1 tablespoon at a time, until your frosting reaches a smooth, spreadable texture. Don't forget to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for an extra touch of deliciousness. Keep beating until it's wonderfully smooth. Your delicious chocolate frosting is almost ready. For an extra fluffy texture, beat the frosting on high speed for 1 final minute. Now, it's time to frost your cake. Ensure your cake is completely cooled before applying the frosting to prevent melting. This recipe makes enough frosting to generously cover a 2-layer 8-inch cake. Enjoy your beautifully frosted creation. Any leftover frosting can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.